year here, new things are happening. Here's what I love about my business. This is a busy time for CFO advising and accounting industry, but not because people are looking for my services, mainly because people are looking for tax services. It's kind of funny, right? I get tons of people looking for a CPA or a tax accountant, and they're like, oh, is that what you do? And little do they find out that is not what I do. But I try to tell them the internal accounting is just as important, if not more important, than your tax accounting. And you're probably going over there, what do you mean? How is that possible? How could that accounting be more important than how much I'm going to owe Uncle Sam? All I stress about all year is how much I'm going to have to pay in my taxes. Well, the reality is this. I had a client, for example, that deposited money into his bank account. And his VA bookkeeper that was super cheap, let's say $5 an hour, fucked up and put $40,000 of his own money that he deposited into his bank into his revenue. And what did he do with that $40,000? He paid taxes on it. He paid 30% in taxes on his $40K. So he gave Uncle Sam $12,000 of his money, of his own money on his own money. Now you're probably over there on your high horse going, that's fucking stupid. Who would do that? Why would you do that? But the reality was that until he started working with me and I dove into his books and I said, hey man, the majority of your things have been coming from this payment processor. Let's say Stripe in his particular situation, or PayPal. This doesn't make sense. Where did this come from? You don't have anything like this all year long. And he's like, that's my own money. Your tax accountant, when they go to do your taxes, you're handing them financial sheets, right? You're handing them their P&Ls, the balance sheets, the general ledger. And for the most part, a really good tax person will review some of that stuff, but they don't know your business. So when they look at that financial statement that you gave them, they're like, oh, okay, so you made this much in revenue. So, all right, I'm going to put that down on your tax form and you're going to pay taxes on that element of it, right? That's their job. They're not in there to question how you made your money or if you spent all this on ads and was it really ads. That's your bookkeeping and team and your accounting team, your CFO. That's their job. So I love it because what ends up happening this time of year is I gain so many people because of that element. So don't be that person that waits to have that internal accounting. The people like myself that are going to help you plan and budget and look at financial metrics, find out like, hey, this product's not really selling well. Maybe the ads aren't working well, or maybe the product itself is not great because we're not making money on this thing that we thought we'd make money on. Maybe we need to change it. That's the kind of stuff that we do. So if you're looking for help for those things, don't hesitate to reach out. Reach out to us at greenlighttoday.com. Greenlight Financial Group, we're here to help.